Welcome back to the beach. Hi, I'm Tracy with Newman-Dailey Resort Properties, and we're back with another Dailey Happy Hour. And we can't wait to welcome you back to the beach. And in the meantime, we're reminded that when life serves you lemons, it's the perfect time to make a lemon drop martini. So we're going to share our favorite recipe for lemon drop martini with you today. And it starts with lemon infused vodka. So take your favorite vodka, simply pour it in the jar, and slice your lemons and let it marinate for anywhere from 2 to 3 days to a whole week. And this will give your vodka a delicious lemon flavor. So our martini begins with 2 ounces lemon infused vodka. We're then going to have 2 ounces of lemon juice. So you're going to shake it and chill it. What's important to let that ice really get your drink cold. In the meantime, you can take a lemon and moisten your rim and go for that delicious sugar, that sweet rim on your drink. And then your ice cold concoction served in your favorite martini glass. So we hope we've inspired you to make lemon drop martinis when life serves you lemons. Thanks for joining us for Happy Hour. Cheers.